In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Swiggy HDFC credit card. I got this credit card as lifetime free. So without wasting any time, let's open the credit card from the cover. And inside you will find this welcome letter and the credit card. Say hello to Swiggy HDFC credit card, and here is a credit card number. On the left side you will have the address. Here are some of the features of this HDFC Swiggy credit card. 10% cashback on Swiggy spends and 5% cashback on online spends and 1% cashback on other spends, and you will get 3 months of Swiggy One membership. On the back side they have given instructions on how to activate this card and set the pin. I will show you in the later videos how to do that. Here is the card. This is how the card looks. Swiggy HDFC credit card. It's a master card. Here you will have the name. On the back side you will have the credit card number, CVV number, expiry date. This is how the card looks. It's a plastic credit card. If you order a lot of things on Swiggy, then this card makes sense as you get 10% cashback on Swiggy. So that's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Swiggy HDFC credit card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.